set. Diner, set.
We have the parade commander, Inspector ARD, and second in command, ABSI Shri.A.L.Hek. And Superintendent of Police, Shri G.D. Karmanang, MPS.
Penjat ini madam kecil penjat ini.
I request one and all to kindly rise as we welcome our VIP in our midst.
National flag is the nation's identity, proclaiming to the world its unity and integrity. Long may our flag wave. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly remain standing for the Rashtriya salute and unfurling of the national flag by the VIP to be followed by the national anthem.
Kindly be seated. Our VIP now will inspect the Guard of Honor, escorted by our parade commander, Inspector ARD. As we celebrate India's 77th Independence Day 2023, it's a moment to reflect on our incredible journey as a nation. We are celebrating the spirit that has shaped our diverse land into a thriving democracy. This day is a tribute to the sacrifices of our ancestors and a reminder of the ideals that bring us together. Let's renew our commitment to a future filled with unity, growth, and prosperity. Join us in commemorating this historic occasion, honoring our past while embracing the promises of tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, our VIP is now inspecting the guard of honor and all the parade contingents.
Jimat mata kakak. Administrasi. Sukhan.
It was not easy for the India to get freedom from the Britishers. However, our freedom fighters, political leaders, and the people of India were determined to gain independence. Our great leader, namely Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, they are prominent leaders behind India's independence in British rule India. Today is the day to reaffirm our commitment of unity in diversity, fraternity, and equality among all our citizens.
And may we rejoice in the blessing that our country has given us. The parade commander and all captains are now joining their parade contingent for the ceremonial parade.
So diam kelam lah deh. Sekarang ya, dalam secondary school nonglang lah, nonglang. Kita ujian tahu lah, kuat deh.
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives us immense pride to present to you the ceremonial parade. The first contingent is the police contingent of Southwest Khasi District Executive Force, including 8 contingents of schools participating in today's celebration.
Oh, ini cuma kami lah. Sakti lah, rak kejar tu kau anak kita. Sakti lah, kalau maru ni anak keras kira sana. Terlong yari yang tahu di sini ternyata. Sama sama.
Arriving at the saluting guys and taking the salute now is the parade commander and the second in command. The first contingent approaching the saluting guys and taking the salute is the police contingent of Southwest Khasi District Executive Force led by our Sub-Inspector Shri.A.L.Hek.
Oh, lagi ni amin eh.
Following the executive force is the NCC from Snapsin College, Mawkyrwat, led by Mr. Devan Shanbor Malay.
The next in sequence we have the Nativity Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat Bharat Scout and Guide led by Yaines Camp
Maram sekolah
Paryong.
enggak? Maram sekolah enggak kayak.
Please give a loud round of applause to all the parent contingents. Approaching the saluting base is the Maharam Government Higher Secondary School led by TriColor L. Marshall.
Tiang lah dia tiang. Diri menutar
Let
gua.
us give a loud
Gua
round
tengin
of
enak
applause
lagi. Pada tanya.
to all the
Jadi
marching
sama.
contingents.
Darak lah Jun. Rak kali kita ini rak kerja doang. Gimana? Oh,
The next contingent taking the salute is the Junior Second K Mawkyrwat Presbytery Higher Secondary School led by Lawan Rite L. Tongkar. Followed in sequence is the Little Star Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat led by Dewan Kemen Dongsi. Approaching the saluting base are the students of Christian Principal Academy Secondary School led by Rishat Lang Snaitang.
Ah, bisa lah setan.
Once again, a loud round of applause to all the marching contingents for today's celebration.
Dari mana?
At the base, we now have the Balang Molong Girls Secondary School led by Lakamtiu Wanyang. And the last contingent in today's celebration is the Longlang Secondary School led by Wilbonson Marwen.
Oh, Jun.
Once again, let us give a huge round of applause to all the marching contingents for celebrating our Independence Day.